WHO has today issued a medical product alert for 4 contaminated medicines identified in the Gambia that have been potentially linked with acute kidney injuries and 66 deaths among children. The 4 medicines are cough and cold syrups produced by Maiden Pharmaceuticals Limited in India. WHO is conducting further investigation with the company and regulatory authorities in India. WHO recommends all countries detect and remove these products from circulation to prevent further harm to patients.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.